10 lang. Number 10.
Hello guys.
Hello guys. Welcome to our channel.
Okay.
Today, I'm going to unbox this Matlin Cubes. Okay, let's open it. Basura. And actually cards. All the cards. So let's build the number block. Number block 1. Number 1, number block 1, number block 2, number block 3, number block 4, number block 3, yes, that's 2, me, 1, 2, 3, 3 is the number block, you bet, number block,
Sarap kita doon. Ay.
hindi,
Ano ba dito para kita doon?
wala ako lang, wala, tira, take. Later pa po.
Din lang.
Let's build the number block. It's shorter. It's okay, shorter. Number block 5. Number block 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to get 6 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is number block 6 for the biggest number. Oh, I finally used this. That's 7. 7 is smaller than number 5. I need to finish my makeup right here.
Okay, sige. Before you eat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No thanks.
After you eat, we'll go to the palengke and we will cut your hair up.
Why?
So that you will be bogey.
Number 10. Number 10 is my favorite.
What's the name of that number 10?
Hindi ko po alam. Hindi ko po alam, tatay.
Oh, yeah.
Look, 8 blocks ride. So, he can go to the biggest number. Next, number block 9. He has the biggest number. 9 killed.
Why?
Number block 9. And last but not least, natusok it. You can make them by again. You can make them by again by force. 2, 3, 4.
Nakatulog ka dyan, kagabi ano ka.
Saan?
Sabi ni Kayo.
2 plus 4 equals 6. Is the same as 2 plus 2
Katulog ka
plus
daw yan kagabi.
6.
Sabi niya. Tapos siya nang nagpasok ng ano yung ulam. Nagutom siya. Mga 11:30 ata.
Wow. Is 1 and 6 is done. Six is done.
How did you know that math makes cube, Vince?
For characters.
Where? Where did you know that? Nag-coach.
Sa TV.
Ah, okay. Hindi niya pinapansin yung iba, tapos nakita niya. Ah, hindi, math lang yun. Hindi niya pinapansin yung mga cars.
Marathon.
Huwag mo nawala, ah.
Four is done. Nine is done.
Oh, ano yan? Upuan kaya tayo yan may turotot yung pet mo ah.
May air horn.
Ha? Tingin nga. May air horn din pet. May air horn pala yung pet ni Vince eh. Nag-aulat siya eh. May air horn pala yung pet mo eh.
Tata, Mama. Mama, give me 20 seconds.
Okay. 20. 19. 18.
Mhm.
17.
Mhm.
16.
Naku.
15.
Mhm.
14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8.
Oh,
7.
laglag.
6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1.
Oh, start mo na.